Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this is part two of trying to part two, part three, whatever. Um, I'm trying to implement the physics engine in Odin, and yeah, I'll just continue that today. Um, what's the agenda of today? I don't know. Right rendering. Uh, this is all old, I guess. What to do? Um, what I had last time was it's a simple movement, right? Okay, yeah. I didn't really do the resolution. I just do collision resolution and what? Do collision resolution and what? The collision resolution and its various things, right? Also, it would be much better if I could just click on the screen and just spawn random elements. That would be good. Random shapes. Also, the way things are, I'm using a very basic collision detection currently. I think it's mostly AABB collision detection and the circle one. So I would like to have like a sufficiently complex system. This is just the start, and I don't really know where to go. I don't really plan these streams. Okay, collision resolution and collision resolution. mm, Probably bounce effect. Different, uh, different, but different object types, right? Um, different object types, and then what is there? Um, hmm. Different object types. Also. Hmm. This is some Chat GPT. What could be all the features of a sufficiently complex physics engine? 2D. Complex can be surprisingly deep, full-fledged, comprehensive, rigid body. Yeah. The rigid body dynamics, right? And oh yeah. Rotational motion. These I know. Static, kinematic, dynamic bodies, continuous collision detection. Yes, CCD to prevent tunneling, sleeping deactivation system to save. Okay, this is whatever. Forces, gravity, obviously. Yeah, the drag, buoyancy, or water, buoyancy, much later, I guess. Uh, Gravity, right? Gravity. Gravity. Hmm. Hmm. I gotta close all the tabs. Hmm. Okay. Gravity, linear annual damping, buoyancy, linear spring. Spring will be much later. Broad phase. This is narrow phase. Yeah. Oriented bounding box. Contact generation. Contact points. Normal vectors. Penetration. Collision response. Static and didn't. Soft and deform. Yeah. Body type, right? Fluids and particles, what? Bro. This is like, now it's going into categories that doesn't really mean much in a collision of physics. No, physics engine, right? Okay, yeah. So I guess collision layers and groups filtering, event system. Event system is good for a game layer. Game engine. Okay. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Do I have something? Gotta see the reference. I gotta see the reference. Okay, let's just do the let's just do the normal thing. Resolution. Bone physics engine. Hmm. Hit. Now define the function yet? Cool. Collision resolution. Collision system. Detect collision. Detect collision. Yeah, whatever. Uh, resolve collision. Resolve collision. Proc. What else is there? One sec. Okay. Should not have closed this. Should not have closed this. Is this not it? Huh. I cannot seem to find the actual thing that I'm searching for. Huh, this is weird. Wait, what? What is going on? Huh. Okay, that is crazy. Blender structure and physics. Oh yeah, I found it. Does seem to be in a somewhere different place. What is it? Where? I should just unblind this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Is the sound too big? No. Yeah. Handle. I gotta detect collision, and then after I have detected it, I gotta resolve it, right? How would I? Okay. So this part of the code I don't really know how to do, or know how to do it well. So I gotta I gotta understand it. Okay, so I need to give it like two of the objects and the collision result, right? Collision result. So what it would take is what was it type? Entity. Yeah, okay, that is entity, and this is a B entity, and it's small. Collision result. Collision result is equal to collision return, I believe. Okay, now boom, boom. Yeah, how would you resolve it? So you have a I forgot all of the things that I did. Detect collision, circular collision, and then returns like a normal back, right? Yeah. It returns a normal and then like an overlap, right? Okay, so yeah. The vector of the collision and the distance and the magnitude, right? Okay. Um, yeah. So that means that I need to find the what was its name? Dot product dot product. I think, bro, did I forget the dot product, bro? Hmm. Oh no, that is not. It was like um yeah, collision result dot, what was it? Collision, oh, it's just there. Collision dot normal into, I think, penetration, or was it wrong? And then if dot is less than, wait, I'm confused. Wait, what was the formula again? Um, dot product. No, this is not what I need. No, this is exactly what I need. But the example I have involves mass, and I don't really have mass current, or I have not like defined it correctly. Yeah, finding angle between vectors, cos. Yeah, dot product is just multiplication. Hmm. Boom. Oh, yes. This is wrong. This is wrong. Oh, this should be. New way. No, no. Let's just add it here. This is the position dot x minus normal collision result to collision result of penetration, and I don't know. I think I can do this, right? Oh yes, very good, very very good. Or I cannot. Dot normal. I think binary types is equal to wait, what? Mismatch types of binary a minus position result normal is position 2. Crazy. Crazy. I gotta do this. I gotta do this. RL vector shift. Oh my god, bro. Please. You should be able to do this. Okay. Position of A. The updated position of A. And then B dot okay, this is going to be this is going to be a position B, and then yes, not much in there, right? So probably based on the penetration, it should be like before, right? And do what do I need? What do I need? Position position. Let's test it out. Okay. What is going on? Oh, is it bouncing? Probably, right? Hmm. Collision result normal dot x, collision result normal dot y, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You multiply everything to this, then you like. Is correct? Is this correct? Oh. Huh. It is pushing. It's not actually pushing two. It's actual dimension. Okay, okay. It's projecting something different. Huh. Why is it projecting something different? Boom, 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 boom. Is it actually projecting something different, or A the position, B the position? Hmm. How does it? Hmm. The situation, you have two bodies. I did not know this formula. It's like positional correction, positional, yeah, correction. Something each other, yeah, 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 yeah. Velocity, yeah, velocity resolution. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Sorry. Okay. Does that sound good? Is my sound good? Oh, okay. I gotta need. I I need to lock in a little bit. I'm getting confused about minor things. Could have thought this through. Resolve. Okay. RV. Eh, new velocity. New velocity. Oh, no, 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 no. D velocity. D velocity is equal to B dot position minus A dot position. Initialization, and then well normal, this is going to be math dot dot boom 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 boom. Correction. I could just put it in here. Um the issue currently is that I forgot, or I don't know how to like handle the velocity part. Do want to Google it. Should I? Let's just do it. Okay. How would you create? How would you? How would you create a No, 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 no. How would you do a resolve velocity? Resolve collision. Without mass. Thinking indeed. She is thinking. Will test his ways. You don't want to track it. Okay. Oh my god, bro. Please. Bro. Huh. Python. Okay. We're getting this. Restitution. What does restitution mean? Oh, probably restitution is probably the bounciness or um the thing that allows it. Yeah, 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 probably. I mean to say that restitution is probably related to the type of object, like how much bounce or how much bendiness uh, would like an object like adhere to. So this is randomly getting called. Mhm. Normal muscle unit, yeah, obviously, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't have a restitution. Okay, let's just what restitution. Boom, 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 boom. Well, how much velocity is kept after a collision, specifically along the. Huh. Okay. Let's try it out. This is, I believe, the difference velocity, right? I need to do something. Close this. Do this. Yeah, I knew it. It opens in the primary. Yes. I had a lot of like notes related to dot products for game development, right? Game dev. Yeah. Linear movement, vector. Huh. This is not what I. Game dev intuition. Not intuition, it's just game dev. Game development notes, yes. There is no code. There is no code, bro. I should have been more thorough with my notes. How to make a particle chase another particle. This is how to find distance between two objects. Yeah, the vector length, right? Yeah. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Hmm. Yeah, I was confusing things in here. D velocity into, yeah, into normal. Doom, 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 doom. Most of the time, you have systems that just implement things like this, so you don't really have to think about it. When you really get down into the dumps, you realize that okay, this is I have like massive gaps in my knowledge base, or I've forgotten a lot of things. Just gotta check up and just gotta repeat information to like actually do it correctly. Oh, I want to drink something. Want to drink something. Sorry again. I might get. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Why is this? Is there no like dot product? Huh. Bro, are you serious? Are these like C things which are like changed into like the Odin? Where's this file, bro? Inside core. Can I do something like this? What is it? What is its name? What is its name? What is its name? Dot, right? There is. No, it does exist. So why can't I? Yeah, there are vectors. What? Oh, the package named differently. The brand name is Lionel G. Lionel G. Centric. Um, eccentric level naming. Yeah. There is quaternions, right? And then how should I? Huh? Okay, where are you? But are you Matt? Matt. Okay, not in here, right? Now, what I would like is Matt. Dot, right? Vector dot. Nothing. What? Wait a minute. I gotta search this online. Odin dot product. Where are the libraries? Math, 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 math. Where are them libraries? Packages. Puzzle search, math, vector. Whoa, it does seem fast. How does this happen? Why is it named Li? No G. How to do dot product in Odin? Huh. Okay, so is it because of something? What the what is the issue? D velocity and then collision results dot normal is not declared in math. Why though? Why is it not declared in math? It should be declared in math, no? Um, rough. I gotta see a usage code. Dot. Yes. Huh. Yes. Again, where are you? Did or not? Like a position would be much helpful. Line algebra. Oh, linear algebra. Linear algebra. Linear algebra. That is the reason why. Huh. But how do you implement this? This is confusing. Constants. Odin. Odin. Bro, I am. Sometimes I make dumb mistakes. Like, but but I thought it was like a normal. It was a subsection of the thingy, so I just thought that it cannot assign. Oh, the velocity is. Huh. Is there like a function to reduce it? How to reduce a tree in uh into would be much helpful. It's if it just did something, bro. X, D velocity Y, and that's it, I guess. Wait, what? Why do you really use all this RL if there is like a linear algebra um types? Okay, now I can probably read this, right? So that means that let's where are you? Let's just vector, right? Vector 2, vector 2 components, an enum of byte. Huh, interesting. I don't understand this. Is it significant? I wonder. Oh. So it's just naming it, right? So X, Y, yeah, it's like a union, I guess. But how do you tell, like, or is it like a constraint? What does this mean? We determine call whose underlying type is, yeah, wait a minute. Okay. Sorry about that. I needed to get something. It was very important. And I got something to drink. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. What was I looking at? Okay, yeah. So does that mean it's just to use this, or what does this mean? Okay, whatever. So yeah. Oh, oh yes. Okay, resolve collision and can I add music? Can I add like a media source, I think. And then like let me check the sound. Mhm. Can I hear the sound? Hmm. I can does not appear to be. Huh. Okay. So it's everything is in whatever track. Oh. Hmm. I need to find a better way for this. Okay. How do I? Okay. So, how much does my sound work? A little bit down. A little bit more. That is good. That is good. Start the timer. Let's get back to work. Okay, wait a minute. I would like to close this one. Yeah. What I actually need is a new media source. Called it Zone. What? Okay. It's a local file. The music is in Chilegas. Okay. Does it loop? Yeah, it should loop. Sound is too much. It sounds in all tracks. The desktop audio is... Okay. Let me check my sounds. I cannot hear my sound. What is going on? Is this good? Okay. A little lower would be much helpful. A little bit more. That's good. Ah. Okay. Okay. Just fixing stream sounds, bro. Okay, whatever. So, penetration. Okay. So normal it is. Normal it is. Restitution, restitution, restitution. Resolve. This does seem to be difficult. Yay. Oh my god. F doesn't exist. Restitution. Restitution. Just naming it would be much better because I just don't know what it means, so having like a label would be better to understand it. Okay. Lots of errors, lots of errors. But how is this possible? That is rough. Oh my god. I know for damn sure, bro, this is... There should be a better way. If I need to like write out or cast like raw floating point variables into 32 bits, then that's crazy. Packages, but not packages. Getting started. And docs, right? Overview, yeah. Where are the types? Literals, yeah. Interesting. Comments, import. Where are the types? Basic types. Little Indian, Big Indian, specific. It's just that. Wait, type conversion. Okay. Huh. This is ridiculous. Oh, is this what the problem is? No. Yeah, that was the problem. So, okay, it was defined. Okay, I get it now. So it was initialized. It assumed that it was 64 and just set it, and the next line it's being flagged as something else. J for Jeepers Creepers. J for Jeepers Creepers. I am impulse factor. Now, what I can do is probably velocity plus minus impulse b dot velocity minus plus impulse. Oh my god. This is crazy. This one really messed me up. Yeah, I guess it should not be an error, right? Lots of errors, lots of issues. My god. Oh my god. Lots of iterations and then resolve, right? Okay, now it's much better. I don't have to like keep on converting this weird ass. Impulse. Probably I need to apply correction. Can I just do this? Would it work? Position, right, and then position is equal to correction. I think I don't need this no more. Yeah? Yeah. Let's do this, bro. B. Okay. So normal into magnitude, right? And then magnitude is the maximum. Yeah, I think this should be like semi well done from what I'm understanding. Oh, that is crazy. It's like immediately. Creepers. Restitution is 8.5. Penetration. I don't know. Impulse. Why really want to create a new magnet? Percent. 8. Percent. 32. And then what? Slop at 32.01. And then correction magnitude. I do not know what this is. Math.max. Then it collision results dot penetration minus lop 5 and then divided by percent. Then correction collision result dot normal into correction magnitude, and so correction in addition it does seem cool. It's very rubbery. It's very, very rubbery. It's very, very rubbery. Let's run it through a compiler. Hey, This is pretty good. Using RAD debugger. It's a pretty good debugger by Ryan Fleury. Resolve collision velocity. I do wonder, it's very extreme. Probably I should just like change the shape and just test it on bare bone, right? Huh, interesting. Why did it not? Huh. Interesting. Position and then size, right? I gotta give it like 20 and 0. And then what? Size, velocity, right? Let's see. It's even worse. Is this what they call superposition in physics? I gotta read a book on collision or something because this is ridiculous. Where to go from here? Lots of bugs, and I don't know where. I do know where the issue is. It's the resolution. Specifically inside it, I don't really know. Probably I'm assuming what's happening is that they collide and then they're being pushed back. The objects are being pushed back from each other. But the very next iteration, they are completely inside again, and so it's like an Ouroboros. It's like both of them are trying to do something to each other, and it's just getting reverted or pushed further in the next iteration. Which one? I wonder. Probably. Oh, this is a little crazy thing I'm seeing. Oh. No. Whatever the hell is happening in here. Should I record it? How is it? Audio track 1. Let's stop it for a couple of seconds and just like run it, right? Start recording, run, and just see this superimposed position. Stop recording, get the music back. I don't know. Yeah. relative velocity. Ow. Then the velocity plus normal. Yeah, and then restitution. Sorry. Collision normal and into IM. A velocity. A velocity. I'm bloody cooked. Brother. I'm bloody cooked. Maximum correction magnitude 2%. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. I'm bloody cooked, bro. I'm bloody cooked. What's happening? Wait a minute. That's not the code that I want to compile. At target Odin Pro physics bin bone. Yes. And then could be named Bone Game Physics. Why is it not running? Build and then run. Should be doing something like this. Huh. No face camp. Compiler is not compiling. Debugger is not debugging. Bro. Huh. my god. Oh my god. Physics engine, Odin. Resolve. Let's put it in here. This works, but not that. Why do I need dnv bin.bone.game.exe? Gotta get to good old Visual Studio. Oh my god. Where are them files? Okay. Oh, it's called Physics Engine. That's what it is cooked. Delete this purges of the world. Okay. And this as well. Physics in save. Problem is something like this. Superposition. Message restricted. Vile, damn it. Now to understand where the issue is. The issue is in here somewhere. The penetration code is good. It's actually hitting the item. The problem is that after you hit the item, it doesn't know how to resolve itself. So probably if it's Probably if it's colliding, then both of the objects are are overlapping, right? So for you to remove that before the next frame, you got to place them back to their original position. The issue is something like this is happening. Very rough indeed. Yes, so stuck in here. Resolve collision. It's raining outside. A very cool, very fun atmosphere. Not very hot. Very chilly though. Physics collision. Because I'm streaming, my brain is not working the way that I want. I'm like very hasty to change shit in here. Impulse. Okay. It's hit. Now let's watch the locals. Okay. Collision result normal, penetration. Decent. Wait, where did I come from? Is that true? Is it completely vertical? Wait a minute. Where are them? What am I doing currently? I am doing like box to box collision. And so... Oh, is it because... Is it because it's only one iteration, but I'm going through diagonal movement, or... No. It's the normal, right? So normal should be like that. I don't know. Resolve collision, B velocity. Okay. A. What is A? A is like velocity. Velocity is very high. 240 and 360, right? So it's, even though the right side movement is there, it's more towards the downward angle. It's more towards the Y direction. What is there in M? How did you get that? What is V? B is completely zero. Oh, because it's static object. Yeah, D velocity is probably negative. 360 and 240. That means 360 and 240. Yeah. Completely 360 and 240. And then linear dot vector normal, then vector vel normal. Could have just seen the local. Is the hypotenuse strict. And restitution is just that. I mean, like 3, 2, 4. Impulse. Because it's not set yet. Okay, so now impulse is like, how is 0 negative? Oh. This is normal. Normal.in, right? Zero, 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 because not one of them were good, obviously. Not one of them was like defined. Collision results, yes, velocity, A velocity and D velocity. So minus, right? So the right side is still there, but the velocity is reduced. But it's still there, so in the very next iteration, it's going to pass through. I wonder... Then probably B would get a random velocity boost, right? That is a lot for B. Oh, it's just... okay. Oh, so it's being pushed down. Okay, I get it, right? How? Okay, this is good. A, the velocity is normal. B, the velocity is also semi-normal. Impulse, I don't know. Velocity normal has eclipsed the E range. What is D velocity? D velocity along the y-axis has also eclipsed. Someone using what was the name? Collision. If hit, resolve collision. If not hit, don't resolve collision. Yeah, I knew it. Collision normal, right? Restitution. Box to box. I should change this. Eesh. I gotta think about this one. Mhm. Box to box collision. The analytics. Something is wrong. Don't know what it is though. Collision. Rusty old OpenGL. Okay, don't really read much. Well, collision collision. Wow. Collision resolution and all the links are just for hash collisions. A rough game dev collision resolution. I just need substance. I just need code to look at. A self-contained function that shows me what the issue is. Too much theory for everyone. Wow. Brother is cooked. Brother is cooked. Hmm. Can't see. Nah, what? It seems that my code is good, but I need to run it like I in 0. Huh. That's what it is. It is wrong. I don't know what's wrong. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. I'm just searching for something. Real life issues. So much issues in real life. That is interesting. Hmm. Okay, it does seem to be the issue is because my detection code is very wrong. Oops. Oh. Also, the height is weird. Finally, some progress. Progress is good. Box-to-box collision. Now, the other thing is that the platform, the unmovable thing, is it's a static. Have I defined that? It's like a static thing. Did I define it though? Seems I have yes, it seems that there's nothing like that. Why though? Why is the height like this? Rendering correct. Render entity, right? What are you doing? Position, rect, size, rect. Position, size, yeah. Then velocity. Probably collision is doing something wrong again. Oh, if I remove this, would it work? Or would it just... Yeah, it does seem to work. It's very bouncy though. I do not like this bounciness. Buddy. Position. Yeah. Entity list, entity position, detect collision. Probably box to box. Box to box is box rect size. Two minus y plus minus x rex x y. Bottom is greater to top, top is less than bottom, minimum right minus left, right minus left, and then bottom minus top, bottom minus top, B bottom minus top. And yeah. I gotta think about this one. Why is that a problem? Why is that a problem? Wait a second. Was going to get some food. Some food. Okay. Current problem is that the height is all okay. Let me take this out, right? Rectangle 2, and then let's just $500, and then give it 80. What? Oh, okay. You wonder. Yeah. It's specific to everyone. Or is it because of player? Player shouldn't be unique because it's just rendering, right? How? Okay, I need to think about this. Probably I would close the stream now and come back at a later date. I thought that I could just like roll it out, but it seems that the bugs are too high in their numbers. That is why that is all for the stream, and that is good. Until next time.